Good morning, student. Today we will discuss here in the earliest city in the history chapter. First, the story of Harappa. Harappa was one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent, which archaeologists found 80 years ago. This was the first city to be discovered. All other cities were building similar. Is Harappa where the declined as Harappa. Harappa was one of the oldest city. हड़प्पा जो है सबसे पुराना सिटी में गिना जाता था इस महादेश सब कंटिनेंट उपमहाद्वीप में। आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट इसको जो है 80 साल पहले डिस्कवर किया, खोज किया। तो इसका स्पेशल क्या है? व्हाट वाज स्पेशल अबाउट हड़प्पन सिटीज? These cities were divided into two or more parts. First part, citadel. The part of the west which was smaller but bigger was called citadel. The part of the west which was smaller but higher was called the citadel. Second part, lower town. The part of the east was larger but lower was called the lower town. The walls of baked bricks were built around each part of the bricks were so well as baked that they have lasted for thousands of years. The bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern. सब एक दूसरे से इंटरलॉक था, एक दूसरे से फंसा हुआ था। And that made the walls strong. इससे जो है दीवार जो है बहुत मजबूत था। In some city, a special building were constructed on the citadel. For example, in Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank, which archaeologists call the Great Bath, was built in this area. Some cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Lothal are elaborate storehouse. Next, house, drains, and streets. Most houses had a separate bathing area, and some had wells to supply water. Many cities had covered drains. अधिकतर शहर जो है का जो नाला था वो कवर था, ढका हुआ था। Each drain had a gentle slope. हर एक नाला का एक ढलान था ताकि पानी आसानी से निकल जाए। So that the water could flow through it. Drains in the house were connected to a street. घर का नाला जो है रास्ते के नाला से कनेक्टेड था। A smaller drains which ultimately led to the bigger ones. All these houses, drains, streets were planned and built at the same time. House, drain, and streets in the Harappan cities. In the Harappan city, house, drain, and streets were well planned. Well planned. Next, life in the city. Harappan city was a very busy place. Rulers were the people who planned the construction of a special building in the city. Rulers sent people to distant lands to get metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. Scribes were the people who know how to write and help the proper way the seals and perhaps the write on. Many टेराकोटा, मिट्टी से बना हुआ उसको फिर पकाया हुआ उसको टेराकोटा कहेंगे. Many terracotta toys has been found in Harappa cities, which shows that children must have the play with these. This means toys. New crafts in the city. Most of the things that have been found, archaeologists are made up of the stones, shell and metal, including copper, bronze, gold, silver. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons or ornaments. कॉपर और ब्रोंज का यूज जो है ऑर्नामेंट्स बनाने के लिए, हथियार बनाने, औजार बनाने के लिए, बर्तन बनाने के लिए, ये सब यूज होता था. गोल्ड और सिल्वर का यूज क्या होता था? ऑर्नामेंट्स और विजल्स बनाने के लिए होता था. इन सर्च ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. Raw materials are substances that are either found naturally, such as wood or metals. The Harappans probably get copper from present-day Rajasthan and even from the Oman in West Asia. Tin, which was mixed with copper to produce bronze. टीन को कॉपर से मिलाकर ब्रोंज बनाया गया. मे हैव बीन बॉट फ्रॉम प्रेजेंट डे अफगानिस्तान एंड गोल्ड कुड हैव बीन कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट डे कर्नाटका एंड द प्रीसियस स्टोन्स फ्रॉम प्रेजेंट डे गुजरात, ईरान एंड अफगानिस्तान. स्टूडेंट, in the earliest cities, the story of Harappa, what was special about Harappan cities? Houses, drains and streets, life in the city, new crafts in the city, in search of raw material. Read these points properly. I will discuss our next point in our next video. Thank you.